Hi, Dream Crypto here. Today I will show you how you can mine Qubic on both CPU and GPU, and we will have a look at on Hive OS that I will show you how you complete the flight sheet, and we will have just a check on the start to mine in Windows. So first of all, create a wallet, check the setup for Hive OS and Windows. I will show you how you set up a flight sheet in Hive OS, and after that we will be ready to mine. So let's start with the wallet, and we go to create vault. We can name it test, create vault. Here you have the name that you can have on the account, seed phrase, save it. This will be very helpful if you somehow lose the file or lose the access to your wallet. This is your public wallet address. This is the address we will mine to later. And we take create address. We are setting a password. So download the vault and we get a file. And you can see that I have tried this before. And we will verify the vault and the password again to verify it. So all done. Open my wallet. And if you don't save the wallet address that we had before, you can go here and you have the wallet here again. Just click on it, copy, and we will use Jetski pool. So over to Jetski. All the links that I am using will be in the description, so no worries. You will check on Hive OS, and you have solo mining and pool mining. We will use the pool mining one, and this is straightforward. You have also picture for wallet configuration, extra configuration. When we are CPU mining, we will add CPU only, huge pages, and also the amount of threads. You can see also here that if you have like 24 threads, you will add it with 100, so 2400 you will add on the huge page. I will also show that I have 32 on my CPU, so I will show it. If you are only mining for a GPU, you don't do anything on the extra config arguments, you leave it blank. And you have about dual mining for the GPU and CPU if you want that. We will also check on the Windows. Here you can see it's pretty straightforward here also. Download the latest miner, extract and launch, follow the steps. And you can see here is the vault address that we did the first step that you will need. The worker name, just remember to, if you are running more Windows computer, that you don't have the same worker name, that you always have like worker 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Have that in mind. Dual mining is, if I remember right, or idle is, let's see, automatic during the idle CPU mining, XMR to Qubic. This is enabled by default. Okay, so no need to do anything. Same is for the GPU. And the Qubic key miner automatically handles the GPU idle time by mining the most profitable coin and converting it to Qubic. So no need there either. You can set a manual if you want to mine a specific coin that you want to choose yourself. You can also check payouts. You are getting payouts for every epoch, and the epoch are from Wednesday to Wednesday, so 7 days. So for me, it's on the first day I get my payouts. So you have everything here. you also have on Mac if you want to have, and Docker and Linux if you want to do that. So we will jump over to Hive OS, and here we have Hive OS. And if you don't have a wallet for Qubic in Hive OS, you go to Wallet, and Wallet, and we type in Qubic. You paste in the address, and you name it, and press create. And after that, we jump over to Flight Sheet, and here we type Qubic. We select the wallet that we just made, configure miner, and here we will have custom. If I just can type right, so, and we do the setup miner configuration. Here, first of all, we have the miner name and installation URL, so we will go back to the page here and copy miner like that. Hash algorithm will be just like that, and we go back and we will take this one, jump back in there, and we will also have, let's see, it was Jetski. See if I just want to copy paste that one. Give me a second. That one I had it on the side already. So pass nothing, and we will use the extra configuration also. So we go back, we copy this, and we go back to the flight sheet. So, and like we said, I think we missed something, amount of threads. Okay, we'll go back and we will also take that one. And you can see amount of threads, 0, look at all available threads, -1. That's so. There, and like I said here, if you have 24 cores, it will be 2400. If you have 12 cores, it's 1200. And for me, I have 32, so for me it's 3200. After that, press apply, and you can name it, and after that, create flight sheet, and you are up and running for mine Qubic. And I am running right now on the Forest 4 mining rigs 7950X, and have done it for the last 8 weeks. So I will come with an update on how the profitability has been. But right now we are done, and I hope this video will help you if you have any ideas of start mining Qubic. Till next time, have a great day. Bye bye.